Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. No more eggs, no more cheese needed in your pizza dough. I've come out with this recipe which is absolutely fabulous. It holds well and it tastes absolutely amazing. In fact, my son just pulled out a slice and chomped it off. So let me show you what it looks like and how you can hold it easily. Look at that. You see that? So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with this no eggs, no cheese pizza dough. You begin with 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of whey protein isolate, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In that goes into your mixing bowl, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and of course xantham gum, 1 teaspoon of it. Now this water should be really nice and hot, and you'll see it immediately frothing up, and it looks like it's never coming to a dough. But now is the time we put in 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, and we'll be putting in 1 more tablespoon later. It'll slowly come together. Now I've put the 3rd tablespoon of coconut flour and give it a good mix. This is not a dough that you can handle with your hand. Take a cookie sheet, put some parchment paper on top, and water. Water is what you're going to need in another little container so that you can spread this dough out. At every step, you'll have to use the water to keep spreading it out. No rolling pin, no double parchment paper. Now, this is what it should look like when it's nicely spread out, ready for the oven, and it goes in at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Now I've flipped it over. I have flipped it after it's come out of the oven the first time after about 15 minutes. This is my homemade sauce for the pizza. It's got all the goodies but very low in carbs. I'm adding some pepperoni to it, and of course I'll add some mozzarella cheese on top. That's where the cheese should be, on the top of the pizza. Yes, Snickers, it's pizza time. In it goes into the oven again for another 15 minutes. And here we have it out of the oven. After the second round of baking, I'm adding some oregano and some chili flakes, and we are ready with the most amazing pizza that you can hold and eat now with lots and lots of love.